So here is a demonstration of what our mold buster can do. As you can see, this is an affected wall with mold and a lot of discoloration. It's already coming off right in front of you. No edits, no CGI. As good as new. It doesn't affect your paint. If we look closer here, it does not affect your paint. I hope you remember how this wall looked. And this is that same wall 5 minutes later. Good as new. Because here's the thing about mold and algae and the stains that come from damp walls. No matter how much you paint, you're just wasting your money, because in a few weeks to about a month, they would overtake all of that new paint and spread. But this is what our chemical does. It is not harmful to humans. Obviously, you want to be cautious not to allow it into your eyes or mouth. This is what our chemical is capable of doing. This is the rest of the wall. This is the area we have sprayed it on.